So I wanted to do a sneaky second example here because the first example I did not have a lone pair of electrons to worry about. Okay, so very quickly then, this is how quickly we can answer this. The steric number for carbon A. Oh, if I can type anyway, the steric number for carbon A is just going to be 3, coming from 3 bonds, right? So 3 and no lone pairs. Steric number of 3. So my electron group geometry is trigonal planar. So my bond angle is 120 degrees. If I could type, that'd be great. So my second one that I actually really wanted to show you was this nitrogen bond angle here. And for steric number, please make sure you don't forget to count. So nitrogen, that's the big. We've got 3 bonds, right? So carbon, nitrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen, but there is 1 lone pair on the central nitrogen atom. So that is a steric number of 4. So that means my electron group geometry is tetrahedral. Remember, lone pairs need a place to live too. So my ideal bond angle is 109.5 degrees.